Today, I'll be showing you my process of making a thumbnail. I start off with my thumbnail template, which I've included a link to in the description below. I then remove text that I no longer need, replacing the word logo with my actual logo. Next up, I add in my video's title and change the color of the font to represent the video better. I then move around the text until I like it. The next step is picking out that photo that I'm going to use to make my thumbnail pop. What I do is pick 2 important frames for my video, and then I edit out the background using the application Preview. Once all the background is removed, I add the photo into my thumbnail. With a little resizing and manipulation and cropping, I then create my final thumbnail. As you can see, I don't always have a set plan in mind when I start making my thumbnail, but I play around until I'm happy with it. And here is my final thumbnail for this video. I hope you learned how to make a thumbnail today. If you make one for yourself, please tag me in your posts at Fission Learning on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to check out fissionlearning.ca for more. Thank you as always to the NSERC for all of their support.